Hello, good morning everyone, it's John Neal here. It's Sunday the 14th of April 2024 and it's a beautiful day, so you just got to get out. It's one of those days, just seeing where I can see. And the first thing I can see is that the leaves are out on the trees. I've only just sort of noticed. Beautiful. It is a beautiful morning. Let's keep going. That's nice. Sit down. One of my favourite seats here in Dadlington. Time for some refreshment. Oh, what an ascetic life I lead. Water. And a plain biscuit or two. Or, oh actually, 3. Crikey. Cheers. Can you say cheers when you have a biscuit? It's a gorgeous day. Look at the fluffy clouds are coming in now. So I must make some progress in a minute and head on back. But yeah, it's been a lovely morning. Smashing to talk to Dean. So yeah, great day. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. The sun's starting to pop in and out now, but that's been a nice ride and it's wonderful meeting Dean. It's a bit of an inspiration, to be honest. So thanks for watching, and you will see me next time. So until then, goodbye. The divine springtime is come, O most exalted pen, for the festival of the All-Merciful is fast approaching. Bestir thyself and magnify before the entire creation the name of God. and celebrate his praise in such wise that all created things may be regenerated and made new. Speak and hold not thy peace. Baha'u'llah.